Have you ever wondered what's the real difference between the UK, Great Britain, and England? And why everyone dreams of visiting London? Let's travel there right now. Welcome back, everyone. The United Kingdom means the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. It's made up of 4 countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Great Britain refers to the main island, England, Scotland, and Wales, but not Northern Ireland. And England is just one country within the UK, the largest and most populated one, whose capital is the legendary London. So remember, all English are British, but not all British are English. The UK uses the pound sterling. 1 pound is around 116 Indian rupees. It's a constitutional monarchy, meaning there's a king, currently King Charles III. But the country is run by a prime minister and parliament. The British love their tea. More than 100 million cups a day. They are known for politeness. You will hear sorry, please, and thank you everywhere. It's the land of Shakespeare, Harry Potter, the Beatles, and football fever. Where ancient castles meet glass skyscrapers, old charm meets modern magic. Now let's step into London, the beating heart of England, a city of red buses, black cabs, royal guards, and timeless energy. Let's now look at the iconic landmarks. Big Ben and the Houses of Parliament, symbols of power and precision. Buckingham Palace, where royalty resides. Tower Bridge, lifting gracefully over the River Thames. The London Eye, 135 meters high, offering views you'll never forget. The British Museum, free to all, filled with treasures from around the world. Hyde Park, Oxford Street, and Camden Market, where the city comes alive. And yes, don't forget the red double-decker buses and red telephone booths, London's picture-perfect icons. London's skyline is crowned with sacred beauty. Westminster Abbey, where kings and queens are crowned and laid to rest. St. Paul's Cathedral, a masterpiece that survived the Blitz. Southwark Cathedral, one of the city's oldest Gothic wonders. Each one whispers centuries of British history and resilience. London shines as a global education hub, home to University College London, Imperial College London, London School of Economics, King's College London. And beyond London lie 2 legendary names: the University of Oxford and the University of Cambridge. Students from over 150 countries study in the UK. London is a melting pot of cultures. Every street offers a new taste, from Indian curries in Brick Lane to fish and chips by the Thames, an elegant afternoon tea. Every flavour has a story. The London Underground or Tube is the oldest metro system in the world. And the weather? Let's just say, always carry an umbrella. London is not just a city, it's a world within a world. So, next time someone asks, what's the difference between the UK, Great Britain, and England? You'll know the answer. Thanks a lot for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, and share to know more about cities across the world.